This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Lynn Johnson. Stately full brick home situated in a distinctive gated lakefront community. This home is impressively designed with a desirable and comfortable floor plan, including a freshly painted main level. You will find abundant spaces for your entertainment needs plus outstanding enhancements throughout. You are welcomed inside by a sweeping staircase flanked on one side by an elegant formal dining room and on the other side by a main level office. The spacious and efficiently designed kitchen offers easy care quartz countertops, a large serving island, stainless steel appliances, and a large breakfast area. Stylish wine racks, strategically placed adjoining the kitchen, offer both functionality and aesthetics. 2 social rooms stand ready for entertaining. First, the great room boasts majestic, vaulted ceiling, massive arched windows, exposed wood beams, wet bar and beautiful gas fireplace, and the second room offers a more intimate, cozy space. Escape to the awesome covered porch and deck equipped with gas grill hookup, wood-burning fireplace and hot tub while enjoying the beauty and privacy provided by a mature, private backyard. You will appreciate the abundance of hardwood flooring, much new, impressive crown moldings, handsome coffered ceilings, custom plantation blinds and beautiful updates. The upstairs is equally impressive with spacious primary bedroom with fireplace, large ensuite bath with jetted tub, walk-in tiled shower, dual comfort level vanities, 2 walk-in closets and linen closet. 2 additional bedrooms, 2 updated baths, loft area with custom built-in cabinetry and granite desk surfaces, laundry room and bonus room, possible 5th bedroom. The 3rd level offers a large, finished flex space which is perfect as an entertainment or playroom or an additional bedroom with full bath. Spacious 3-car garage, abundant storage spaces, 75 gallons water heater, ADT security system with front and back porch and driveway cameras, lawn irrigation system, invisible fence and central vac. Beautiful mountain views, neighborhood boat dock west/launch and lakefront picnic area, great schools and short drive to parks, shopping. For more information, review the details below or contact Lynn Johnson at 865-693-1111.